Install the split backup ring behind the ductile iron pipe bell by tightening the assembly bolts to the recommended torque specification. After placing the Sigma 1-lock wedge action restrainer gland onto the plain end of the connecting pipe with the lip facing toward the end, assemble the push-on pipe per the manufacturer's recommendations. Position the 1-lock SLDE restrainer on the spigot so that the rod holes are in alignment, and the distance between the restrainer and the split gland will accommodate the length of the restraining rods. Insert the restraining rods. Hand tighten the actuating bolts in an alternating star pattern until each wedge segment comes in contact with the pipe wall. Tighten all the nuts on the connecting rod until the mechanical joint split backup ring is seated firmly against the back of the pipe bell. Tighten the break-off top bolts in a star pattern until the heads fracture. Never tighten an actuating bolt more than 180 degrees before moving to the next bolt. Continue tightening the bolts until all the break-off tops have been sheared away to lock the wedge action restraining gland against the pipe wall. Snug the retaining nuts to ensure a sound assembly.